when you look at all these beautiful bodies. All this is people who show sublime lives. Know one thing, this body was before fire obeys, and this life was firstly ordinary and suffering. You're not born with a muscular body or a good life. It asks work. This is people that you watch for their life worked while you rested or you were going out at night. And don't tell me that some people are born in rich families. If you are unhappy and I give you money, you will always be unhappy. Money is not the solution. It just permits people to do great things, but they still need to have the motivation to do beautiful things. Discipline is the solution. Work is the solution. When you look at all these beautiful bodies, you should be thinking about work, about all this is training that the person did, all this is sacrifice, all this suffering. Those times when you choose to eat shit for just a small pleasure, this person deprives himself. He is rejecting this life of his and banality. This life where you undergo your one life. This man that you see in the picture, this man has not a life made only of success, but he has a life of work and discipline, even now. Every day, even if it rains or he had a shitty day, this man goes train himself while you just sit there and do nothing. Now, when I tell you all this, do you still want this body? Do you prefer to be weak or strong? Do you prefer the sacrifice or the pleasure of the moment? Do you prefer waking up with the desire to realize your dreams or thinking about sleeping again to dream again? What do you prefer? You have to do the choice between weak mind or strong mind. Are you ready to get up every morning for work and not for entertainment? What do you want to do with your life? Look at this body again. Look at this life again. Imbue your mind with all this and then work. Work without ever stopping. Your mind leads your body to what you visualize. Remember this body when you want to give up. Let go. You have your why, so you know what you have to do. Your mind knows what you have to do, but your body doesn't want to listen your mind. Force it. Force yourself. If this person that you are looking every day has done it, you can do it too. So don't say at any point that it's impossible. Visualize and fight for your dreams in order to be the next person that people will look on Instagram and dreaming to be in your place. And at that point you can tell them it takes work and sacrifice. You had to stop doing everything that was pulling you down, but if you are there now, it's that they can do it too. You will be able to tell them that you have been in their place and that you have made the choice to take the suffering instead of the pleasures that bite you nothing. You will tell all these people like you before, never to give up, never to think they can't. You will tell that we are in a world where ordinary people believe in their dreams and do extraordinary things. You are not lost, and your life is not over, no matter how old are you. Your life is not over because if you listen what I am telling you today, it is that you are searching you, and therefore you still have not accomplished what you are there for, your destiny. Some people fail all their lives and begin succeed only at 70 years old, but you are ready to fight from now. Not in a week, not tomorrow, but now, because you were getting to this video for that. You need to change your life and become the person you are, so stop wasting your time. We all have a winner in us. What makes the difference is when you choose to put this winner in your life. Want you listen your winner mind now or in 70 years? Get the winner inside you. So you have to promise yourself from now that you will never ask your winner to go to sleep until you are not the person of your dream. Make your ordinary life something extraordinary.